on the left-hand side, all the way from Anki, and on the right-hand side, all the way from Anki, classic Cozmo. Underground fight. We got classic Cozmo versus metal Cozmo. You guys ready for round number 1? Fight! Oh! Metal Cozmo is up right now. Oh! It looks like the classic Cozmo is the winner. Good job, Cozmo. Let's get ready for round number 2. Alright, you guys ready? Fight! Yeah, looks like there's pin in the corner. Where is Metal Call? There he is. Metal Cozmo seems a little confused. And classic Cozmo's running against his back and he's getting him on his side. Oh no! Oh, it looks like Metal Cozmo's on his side there. We're gonna have to start that count. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ding 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 ding. And it looks like classic Cozmo is the winner. Good job, Cozmo. Let's get ready for another round. Alright, you guys ready for another round? Fight! Alright guys, ready for another round? Fight! Oh, they're right on the edge there. Like Crusher, this is Cozmo. It is trying to win classic Cozmo off. And it looks like Cozmo is the undefeated champion once again. Good job, Cozmo.
Finish him. Fatality.